Hi, my name is Malik. I had disability, speaking, reading, writing. I am practicing thinking clearly and thinking sentences. I had 6 years ago, I had a stroke. Result, aphasia. Aphasia is a language problem. And I'm practicing speaking, reading, writing. I love gadgets. Example, uh, long, long, long trap, tread, tried, tri, pride, tried, trade, trade. Example, tread, tried, tried, yeah, tried, tried. And I am thinking I need interview person, interview myself, and message, email, and response, email, and hard words because vocabulary loss. um, I'm thinking Pakistan before 8 years baby, Chicago to New York, Chicago. Uh, uh, I before 8 years, uh, 8 years old, 8 years old, train to airplane to Chicago. Um, I'm Karachi, Pakistan, and uh, first time snowing and Christmas time because the mom uh, visiting um, I would like visiting Christmas time, and mom December 25, 2020, Christmas Day, and 2 weeks vacation. Beautiful first time snowing, beautiful people, different people, different first time burger and French fries and cookies, and I love it. I love it. And after I would like home USA, and parents and myself and 2, 3, 4 kids, one, two, three, four, 5 kids, and mom and dad, in Chicago, and but memory because mom, dad, father dead, and two brother dead. Um, me and 2 people family. Um, um, Sad, but time Time God. Time God. Okay. Returning God. No, me scared. Why scared? God. I love God, and no problem. No problem. Um, shadow. Why shadowing? Look like shadow. Shadowing. Okay. Sorry. Um, um, hmm. Phone. Better. Um, no scared. No scared God. Returning God. Worldwide. living, and time. Returning God. Yeah. Um, I would like making video supporting disability, aphasia, and supporting husband. Um, but time, okay, bye bye. um, how are you? Thank you so much. Bye.